down to the front of the vehicle. See, we have the CarPlay up here on the screen. Obviously we have connectivity such as Waze. We have Spotify, Google Maps, and many more. So you have Apple Maps on here as well. We've got phone call notifications. So obviously we can go through on here, gives you all your history. And it also will give you split screen on the far left. Obviously it's all controlled by scrolling down on your scrolling wheel at the bottom. Obviously it's got 3 most recently used apps on the side. If you use Waze, this will change the icon. If you use Apple Maps, it will change, Apple Music, sorry, it will change the icon here. Same for phone calls and messaging. Obviously, as you can see, this is completely wireless. If I skip the track, as you can see, skip on here, it's completely wireless on this unit. You have volume on your steering wheel. Phone calls, answering, all works as normal.